Hi everybody, it's Ramona. I am here to share with you my latest Frank Garcia package. This is the monthly kit, and I apologize, this came in last week, but my dad's been in the hospital out of town, so I haven't been able to get to it. He's been in the hospital for 10 days now, so yeah. So I'm back home just to do a couple of things, and one of them is this unboxing. I have no idea what's in here, guys. I went ahead and opened it here, so I'm opening it with you. And I'm going to try to stay in frame, but as you can see, this is a huge box. I'll probably just pull whatever is in here out. So it always comes wrapped with, you get some little confetti stuff here. And give me just a second. I'm excited. I'm always excited to get his kits. And it's kind of hard to get this out of here. It weighs a lot, guys. It's pretty heavy. Okay. Whoop. And something fell out of it. Okay. So, this is how it comes. And this is, I think this is either my 4th or 5th kit. I can't remember. So, yeah, I haven't opened anything. Here's this. I haven't looked at it yet. There's supposed to be a card. I'm not seeing it. Yeah, there's a card in here that shows you what it is. So, yeah. So you get all of this in a kit. And this is, oh my gosh, guys, this is the Dulce line, okay? So, yeah, I will go through all this stuff. So it's a kit made with, that you're going to make with Dulce. So, let me get down to the bottom. I'll show you what it is that you get your instruction sheet and your papers. Okay. So, here is the instruction sheet. Move this aside, and I'll show you that in just a second. So, it's going to make a mini album like this, okay? It gives you the instructions here on how to lay your pages out. See, we've got a huge waterfall coming in over here. I hope I'm in frame. It's kind of hard for me to tell, like I said, because the paper is so big. So this is going to be your album. Okay, my album, your album that you get everything with. Okay, so there's the instruction sheet. Put that aside. Let's see, and we've got 3 sets of flowers here. Oh, these are so pretty. Love those. And then this. We have a decorative frame, a Frank Garcia frame. We have chipboard stickers. I'm not sure if it's just one set. Oh, okay. So it's, you get two different sets here. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I can't believe that. Dulce. I love this. Okay, so here is, let's see what kind of mini album we have. Like every month there's a different mini album. This is like the whole album. Usually have to cut this open to see. Ouch, that hurt. There we go. Okay, so this one, opens like this and this. Oh, look, it has the flip pages. Guys, this is good quality. So that's all that this is. It's just like a flip album. So it's a waterfall album. How cool is that? Very pretty. Okay, so we have that. Then we have the journaling pages. So this is the whole pack of journaling pages. You get 3 of each. They're double-sided. Okay. Oh, this is so pretty with the little carousel horse. There we go. Look at that. Roll me in fairy dust and call me a unicorn. I love that. Okay, a cupcake. We have the tickets. And I love this collection, guys. I've already bought some of it. Okay. And I think that's it. Nope, one more. Cotton candy. Fluffy cotton candy. Okay. So that's the journaling sheets. And then we have the papers. Oh, we have more. Hold on. I forgot. Usually, he sends like ribbon and stuff usually. I'm going to move this out of the way so it's easier to see. Okay. So, we have pom-poms and pearls to put. I guess this is to put in the flowers. He usually puts like little pearls inside the flowers, if you can see that. So we have that. We have some, my mind's at a blank right now. Good grief. Eyelash lace. Ooh, I love this one. Look, it's rose gold. I love that. We have a little piece of ribbon. We have, my mind is just not working. Here we go. We have two different ones. My mind's at a blank, guys. Not doing well today. Seam binding. We have some little bitty flowers. Look how pretty. They're perfect. We have a little piece of hardware here. And then this looks like a bunch of glitter. Yeah, it's a bunch of glitter and rhinestones all in this opalescent color. There's some bigger ones in there. I know that's kind of hard to see. So let me push those aside. Try not to lose anything. And then we have some of the papers. I hope I'm in frame. I can't tell. So we have, look how pretty this is when it's all foiled. Very pretty. So we have that. And then there's the back of it with a big heart. Oh, this is so pretty, guys. Wow. We have that. My bunny rabbit's moving around back there. He's not happy. I don't know what's going on. Oh, we get a lot of these sheets. I'm going to guess maybe each one of these goes on the flips, on the waterfalls. Probably. These are so pretty. I can't get it up. It will not cooperate. All the tickets. Yep. Oh, I love this, that they gave us multiples. I do, because these are really nice papers, guys. Again, it's Frank Garcia Studio, the January 2020 parcel. Thanks for joining me, guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.